morning. My young is working over there and it's 8:15 right now, so I'm just finishing my editing really quick so that I can upload the video and starting my tea right here. I hope you guys are gonna have an amazing Tuesday, and if you live in US, if you are using T-Mobile, don't forget to take the $4 Dark Phoenix ticket movies today.
By the time they see this video, Tuesday is gone.
Oh yeah. I totally forgot that by the time you guys see this video, Tuesday is gonna go away.
Maybe you should remind them of Monday's video.
Yeah, I'll do that. But yeah, just in case you don't know and you're using T-Mobile, don't forget to take, like, every Tuesday they have movie tickets for $4. So this time they're giving Dark Phoenix. So we have already taken it, and I think we'll go and watch in the weekend or something.
Yep. To all the X-Men fan out there.
Yep.
Don't forget to watch it.
Yes. So I'm quickly gonna edit my video and then talk to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning. You saw I did deep cleaning today. Like, I had a lot of things to clean on the cabinets and fan and everything. So done with that, done with the vacuum. And also, you guys, I showed you guys that I soaked lentils and quinoa rice. So what I did was, before going to the gym, I thought of just making this and keeping it, and also just prep some of the things so that once I come back I can just take bath and cook really quickly. So what I did is, so this is a very good way of cooking two things at once in an instant pot. What I did was, I took lentils, I soaked it, I added whatever spices I wanted to add, and then there's a stand you get on Amazon, stand like this. So this is like this much height, but you get different heights. Like, this is another height of a stand, and there's one more stand that I'm using in my instant pot. So I just keep this, and then I keep a what is that bowl called, baby? Wait, what proof? Oven proof bowls? Yeah, you can use oven proof bowls, and then just keep the bowl on top of this, whatever you want to cook in that. So I'm cooking rice and lentils together. So, and then I pressure cook it, and that's it. I mean, both the things are ready. Oven safe, yeah. So both the things are ready, like together. And what I'm doing here is, I have some chopped up onion, green chili and cilantro, and to this I'm gonna add besan, which is chickpea flour, with some spices like salt, paprika, a little bit of garam masala, and I'm gonna slice this brinjal, eggplant, brinjal, whatever you call it. I'm going to slice this and add a little bit of water in the, like, this mixture, and like dip all of these and pan fry them. I'll show it to you when I do, but for now I'm just gonna prep this and keep it, and once I come back from the gym I can just pan fry it. I still have 30 minutes before I go to the gym, so I'm just gonna complete all this work really quick. And so this is almost like something how you make a pakori. So what you do is you make the mixture, then you add a little bit of water and you like deep fry them. But I'm just gonna coat this with the eggplant and pan fry them. I've never air fried them. I'll try it sometime and I'll let you guys know whether that works or not. So you can see now I'm going to add water to this, and I'm not going to keep the batter very liquidy. It's gonna be thick batter so that it sticks properly to the eggplant, and like every slice has cilantro and onions and green chili and all that stuff. Some more water. Okay, this looks good to me. Now I'm going to slice the eggplant and add it here. Okay, so I just opened my Instant Pot, and this is the rack I was talking about. You can see the lentils, they're all done, and this is the rice mixed with quinoa. See, this is all done, and it is like so nice. It's not even sticky, it's properly done. And let me just take this out. And hold on, yeah, let's check out the lentils. Wow, they look good, nice and delicious. Well, you can control the consistency according to how you like your lentils. And two things at the same time done. So I'm going to the gym now. Are we taking the camera to the gym? Not today, I guess.
Not today.
Yeah. So yep, I'm going to the gym. Marvel is lying down right there. Marvel! So yeah, follow us on Instagram. I'll give the name right here. You can check it out, and you can see so many amazing pictures of Marvel and her like daily everything. So I'll come back from the gym and I'll start cooking, and I'll see you then. Till then, you guys take care of Marvel. I am back from the gym. I have took a bath, and now I'm very hungry, so let's make some food and enjoy our delicious lunch. So you guys do try this recipe of eggplant the way how I'm making it, because it tastes so good. And you can also, it's not important you have to pair it with some food. You can just eat it as a snack also, you know, just pan fry them or deep fry, however you like, and just eat it like that. It tastes so good. Okay, so this is like our gallon of water that we drink every single day, and we finish it before we sleep. So one is for me and one is for mine, so I'm going to give him his bottle. And first of all, let me drink some water. I'm so thirsty. Okay, let's start making it. Okay guys, so one batch is done. Look at them, they came out so good. They're crispy from the outside. Let me take a bite. So good. My god, I'm sure you guys must be like, I want to go and make these things. They look so delicious. Trust me, they are. I hope I'm making you hungry. Well, Marvel is hungry, because as soon as I said hungry, he came to the kitchen. But honestly guys, they taste delicious. So guys, I'm seeing you after a very long time, like after literally 4 hours. So I was editing, and then I felt so sleepy. My eyes like literally started burning. So I went and slept, and Marang was working, but now he's
I
off.
was actually in meeting, that's why you couldn't speak, couldn't do half the thing.
Yeah, so I just went to sleep. And then right now I'm giving Marvel his dinner, and Mayang is peeling the lychees. The lychees that we got from the lychee farm. Yeah, if you guys have seen the previous vlog, you guys guys know that we got so many delicious lychees. And
We'll also put a link here in case you haven't watched it.
Yes,
it
we'll
was
do
fun.
And the lychees are really, really good.
Yeah. Nice, red and sweet.
Yeah.
So I learned a fact about lychees, that lychees is the fruit that doesn't get ripened anymore after it is taken away from the branch.
Oh yeah.
So like mangoes, you get the green mangoes after they start getting a little bit of color, and keep them in a brown bag or something, and into 3-4 days they can still get ripened. Same goes with banana, they get ripened if you keep them outside.
Outside.
But
Avocado
lychees,
and all this thing.
yeah, but lychees doesn't work that way apparently. So I learned something. And these lychees are delicious.
Let me give Marvel his food and come back. Hi Barbie. Hi Barbie. Sit. Okay.
They're so juicy that all the juices.
And also the lunch was so delicious. The mix of quinoa and rice was so good, and the eggplant was also like really good. So do try it.
Yeah, I love the concept of mixing rice with quinoa. I mean, if you're trying to cut back some carbs and add more fiber to your diet, definitely the way to go.
Yeah. We had 2 bags of these. I showed you in my previous vlog. And this is we
One
still
bag is
have
gone.
these, and 1 bag is gone.
We got 2 pounds of lychee for like 2.5 pounds of lychee for $7.
Yeah.
So that was really good.
Here, let me help you.
For real.
He just had one last lychee to peel, and I'm like, let me help you.
She came so confidently and like she's gonna help with half the work. But I have nothing to complain. She cooked delicious meals, served Marvel, took care of everything else all day. I'm gonna just enjoy this lychee.
So good. It's so sweet, guys.
I think Marvel thinks of these as little watermelon.
Yeah.
Because whenever I take out lychee, he comes to eat. These are really good and I'm eating these. I used to eat any fruit that you can't chew completely and be cautious the whole time that there's seed that you don't have to chew. I used to hate that. As a kid, I don't used to eat any fruits like this. My mom used to peel the lychee, have a cut in it, take out the seed, and then give me the lychee to eat.
That's a lot of work.
Okay, I guess we're gonna eat the lychee. Marvel is done eating his food. We're gonna take him out, come back. We're not preparing anything for dinner, so we might have maybe a coffee or something, but we're not eating definitely anything. We're too full from the meal this afternoon. So we're gonna see you in next vlog. And until then, keep checking out our other videos, keep subscribing and having a lot of fun, you guys. Until our next vlog, say bye bye.
Bye bye. Let's go. Bye bye.